This right here is an $18,000 YouTube video. And I'm not talking about the cost to make the video. I'm talking about how much money the video generated. And the crazy thing is that the entire video was created for just a few dollars. Let me explain. What did ancient humans do at night? That is an $18,000 question. What do I mean by that? The person who answered that question and put the answer into this video generated $18,000 from this video. The video is a very simple format. An AI generated voiceover.
Tonight when the sun goes down, you're going
with AI generated visuals to represent what is being spoken. Now I'm going to show you how to create an even better version of this video, which will only cost you a few dollars and less than 10 minutes of your time. We're going to grab the URL right here, copy this. We're going to go to a website, youtube-to-transcript.com. We're going to paste in our URL right here, click get free transcript. That's going to get our transcript from the video. We're going to copy this. We're going to come to Claude and we're going to paste in that transcript along with this system prompt that I've given it already. This system prompt is going to help us improve the script. If you comment the word AI, I'll send you this whole prompt. But essentially all you need to do is paste in the transcript and the title of the original video. So we just delete this right here, go back to the video, copy the title, and then come back to Claude and paste it right here. In this case, I'm going to use Fable 5. You can use whatever model is the best right now. Now we have our new title for our video and we have our script right here. Then we're going to go to this app called Channel Farm. We're going to highlight our whole script right here. And then we're going to go to channel.farm. Then we're going to go to brand profiles. We're going to create a new brand profile. And we have a lot of options here for how we want our video to look. To get a similar sort of style, we're going to want to click on a simple doodle, go to voice, and we're going to select the voiceover that we want. We also have the option to dub this in a different language. This is something that's actually working really well right now for a lot of people, where they find winning videos that are in English being pushed to the United States and then translate them to a different language, recreate them, and post them in that country. But for this one, we'll stick with English, and then we'll pick a voiceover. I usually like Max.
Picture this. Your channel just posted another.
You can listen to the preview. We'll select it right here and then click on Finish Profile. Our profile's done. Now we click on I have a script because Claude has already written our script. We paste it right in here and then click on Continue to Video Settings. Now this is where we get to set up how we want our videos to look. So we have different options here. We're going to go with a balanced view. We're going to click on Show More Settings. We're going to click on Rapid for the cutscenes. As you can see, that adds a lot more scenes to the video, so things are going to be a little bit more rapid. That's going to increase the retention of the video, keeping people more engaged as the video goes on. We're also going to try and increase that engagement by animating some of the opening scenes. So we're going to animate the first 4 scenes, which is something that this other video is not doing. These are just super basic plain images, as you can see here, but we're going to animate those to try and grab that attention. Then we're going to click on generate, and it's really that simple. So as you can see here, the AI system is literally doing everything for us. So we put in the script, it's now generating the voiceover. It's then going to create the visual framework. So it's going to understand how the visuals should look. It's then going to actually create the visuals. It's going to animate the visual scenes, the first 4 that we selected. It's then going to edit them all together, put it into a video editor for us. It's then going to assemble the whole video along with the audio, create the metadata like the title, description, chapters, tags, etc., and then create the thumbnail for us. So our whole video is now done. As you can see here, every single scene has been generated. We have transitions for every scene. We have effects on them. They're all on zoom in right now. We can also change that. We can switch it to whatever we want. We can click a zoom in, zoom out, pan left, pan right. We also have the option at the top here. We can randomize. We can have them all different, but let's take a look.
Researchers strapped motion sensors to 33 Hadza adults.
So at this point, we have a couple different options. So we have our captions here where we can edit the captions. We can turn them on or off. We can edit them, make the text bigger, change the number of words per line, change the color, etc. We can add music in here. There's a list of audio files which we can use and just simply click and it'll add it right into the timeline. We can fade them in, fade them out. We can add more audio files. We can add the same one at the very end. We also have the option to do the same thing with sound effects. So if we go to SFX, we can come in here and we have a whole database full of sound effects. And we even have the option to upload our own if we don't like the ones that are in here. Now let's say you've created your video and as you're going through, you realize that actually you don't like the way that the script was written in one particular section. No problem at all. You can come in here and you can see that everything is broken down into little sections and you can just simply come in here, you can remove a certain part of it and click save words and re-record, and that will regenerate that part of the audio without having to regenerate the whole video. So once you've gone through everything and you like the way your video looks and sounds, all you gotta do is click on export on the top right, click export again, and that's gonna now export your video. It's going to assemble all the frames together, assemble all the transitions, the video effects, the audio, the music, if there is some, and then give you that finalized video. Just like that, our video is done, and we can play it here and watch it.
Northern Tanzania, researchers strapped motion sensors to 33 Hadza adults and recorded their sleep for 20 nights.
We also have everything else we need to publish the video. We have the thumbnail, we have the title, we also have the other title that Claude created for us. We have the description, we have the timestamps down here, and even the tag.